In 1993, the New York Times ran a headline: "The factory of tomorrow will not have any humans." The article said that, due to automation, all factory workers would be replaced by robots. For the first time in human history, humans are competing against something that doesn't need sleep, doesn't need money, and gets smarter every single day: artificial intelligence. And according to experts, this technology could replace millions of jobs sooner than anyone expected. The question is no longer if AI will replace humans. The real question is, how long before it replaces you? Just a few years ago, artificial intelligence sounded like science fiction, something futuristic, something far away. But today, AI can already write articles, create videos, generate artwork, answer customer support calls, clone human voices, and even write computer code. Tasks that once required years of human skill can now be completed by machines in seconds, faster than humans, cheaper than humans, and without ever getting tired. Suddenly, the world started changing faster than anyone expected. Companies everywhere are quietly replacing human workers with AI systems. Customer service jobs are disappearing, data entry jobs are disappearing, basic editing jobs, design jobs, even some programming jobs are beginning to change because of advanced AI tools. And honestly, that's starting to scare people. Because for the first time, humans are no longer competing only against other humans. They're competing against machines that improve every single day. Think about that for a second. An AI system doesn't need rest. It doesn't get emotional. It doesn't ask for vacations. It simply learns, adapts, and keeps becoming more powerful. Some experts believe artificial intelligence could eventually replace hundreds of millions of jobs worldwide. And the scary part? This may only be the beginning. Every month, AI becomes more realistic, more intelligent, more human-like. Some AI systems can now hold conversations so natural. People can't even tell they're speaking to a machine anymore. And maybe that's what makes this so unsettling. Humanity spent centuries building technology to make life easier. But now, that same technology may eventually outperform the people who created it. And unlike humans, AI follows pure optimization. No emotion, no fear, no hesitation, just results. That's what makes artificial intelligence so powerful, and possibly so dangerous. But this story isn't completely dark. Throughout history, every technological revolution changed the world forever. Cars replaced horses, computers replaced typewriters, the internet transformed entire industries. And now, artificial intelligence may become the next revolution. Some jobs will disappear, but new jobs may also appear. AI engineers, automation specialists, prompt designers, digital creators. The future may belong to people who learn how to work with artificial intelligence instead of against it. But even then, one terrifying question still remains. What happens when AI becomes better than humans at almost everything? Because for the first time in history, humanity may be creating something capable of outperforming its own creators. And whether that future becomes a dream or a disaster may depend on what humans do next. Because the AI revolution isn't coming someday in the future, it's already here. And the world may never be the same again. If you enjoyed this video and want more cinematic AI documentaries, dark technology stories, and disturbing future mysteries, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Dark Byte Docs, and turn on notifications. Because the future is getting stranger every day.